My name's Oliwia. I'm the Fleet Performance Analyst here at Manta Marine Technologies. Optimal performance comes from actually executing the voyage plan that you've calculated for each particular vessel. And in order to do that properly, you have to be confident in the accuracy that you're getting from your vessels actually executing those voyage instructions. FuelOpt is a crew aiding system that takes the guesswork out of accuracy when it comes to executing your voyage instructions. So the way it works is we have set points that we can put on the voyage in speed, in consumption, and in power, and they will limit your vessel from over-consuming or overspeeding. Even with the most experienced crew, you can't get 100% accuracy on your voyage instructions. You could have a captain who's been sailing for 30 years and still you won't get 100% accuracy. FuelOpt takes that unknown out of the equation by being one less thing for the crew to think about when they're operating the vessel. So primarily you have speed mode, consumption mode, or power mode, and you can use each of those individually, or you can combine, for example, the speed and the consumption mode so that you allow your vessel to slow down when it's bad weather, but stop it from over-consuming. Of course, we have dynamic power limits that can be set in the system. That means that you avoid any critical ranges that might hinder optimal vessel performance. Yes, of course. FuelOpt is absolutely compatible with all different fuel types and all different operations of vessels. One of the things that FuelOpt does is whatever set points you put in, that's what it's going to execute. So in Manta, we have the performance team that will help you to analyze the data that we get post-voyage and help determine what set points might be more applicable for your vessel for any given operation. This process actually allows us over time to help you come up with a better operational strategy, which leads to fuel savings. One of the great things about FuelOpt is that the operational panel that the crews see on the bridge is super simple. You have an on button, an off button, and two dials, one for speed and one for consumption. All the crew really need to do is press on and set their desired speed, consumption, or power, and then the system will automatically make sure that the vessel keeps to those set parameters. So there's no need for the crew to constantly be changing the speed or the consumption of the vessel. Yep, so none of those things interfere with the operation of FuelOpt or how FuelOpt can help your fleet. The thing that FuelOpt can do, though, is with some of these technologies, such as wind-assisted propulsion, we can actually work together and make sure that you're getting the most benefit out of something like wind-assisted propulsion. The way wind-assisted propulsion will help your vessel is either when the wind is really good, it helps you to speed up. Often this gets touted as a fuel saving. However, if you have voyage instructions that are telling you you need to be going at a specific speed, using FuelOpt together with wind-assisted propulsion means that you're limiting the speed of the vessel. So that extra energy that you're getting from the wind is now being transferred directly into fuel savings.